So ¿qué pasa, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys my folding cleaver. Bam! Here she is. Oh, look at that. This thing is huge. So what I use it for is for opening up boxes at my job. So it's pretty much my box opener. And I saw it online and I wanted to get it. And ta-da! This thing is like a mini machete, you guys. I mean, look at it. So, just gonna use it to open my pizza because this is what I'm gonna have for dinner today. Man, it's gonna be good pizza. Alright, you guys, so let me do a side-by-side comparison with my regular pocket knife and my folding cleaver. As you can see, the folding cleaver is far bigger than my regular pocket knife. Here it is when both knives are open. As you can see, my regular pocket knife is almost, well, just slightly bigger than the size of my folding cleaver's handle. Just slightly bigger. Also, they both have a clip that you can put in your pocket. And believe it or not, my folding cleaver does actually fit in my pocket. So even the size of this humongous mini machete will fit in your pocket. So like I was saying earlier, the folding cleaver does fit in your pocket. So whenever you feel like carrying a mini machete around, you can just put it in your pocket. So give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, subscribe. This is Big Jerry M94 signing off. Gosh.